So today I'm going to be doing like this hurricane tracker. Uh, this is a radar of like that hurricane that's going on, cristobal. Have it on TV, but so if you want, we're going to be able to see. So I think we need to like start this over. Sorry. So let me look at the past. Okay. So I don't know why, but it's going snow. So then we can probably do. I guess future will. So I guess I have to do past. So let me pause this at least 5:05. So if we ate it at 5:05, that would be going. So it looks like it's headed up to Chicago. It's not Baton Rouge, but it's going up through Chicago. Looks like going up from. So it looks like it's going up north, but then it hits like Indianapolis and also Bloomington and Springfield. But if we pause this soon. Wait now. So it looks like right now. It looks like it's by like Bloomington and stuff like that. So if you see, but then we're gonna see. I'm just gonna put it all together. So tonight we're gonna get some. Tomorrow we're gonna get some thunderstorms, but now we need to go to 10-day. I say hourly. Next, sorry, this is snowy beginning. Fell off. That's okay. But there's a river flood warning there. Looks like there's a country for there. But let's go move somewhere. Like, I know where to move. Jackson, Mississippi. Jackson. Okay, so maybe for some reason it says JCKS1. Then here it is. Jackson, Mississippi. This is Jackson, Michigan. So it's like the sidewalk there also. But we're gonna go see the radar. The radar. We're going to go to hurricane. Okay. So I want this go. So really sorry. Cristobal. That's like you good. Okay. catch a Mississippi. Don't even let me go. Okay. So 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 let's try to get going. So looks like it's going up to. Can I ignore that?
Alexa, stop.
So that's my dad. Never. So and tomorrow you guys get so you guys comment below what you want me to talk about the weather tomorrow. But let me check the crystal ball or whatever I would say it. Oh, I guess Chicago's already on TV. So I guess I have to say bye. Bye. See you in the next video. If you like this video, you're gonna like the next one. So bye.